Hey guys, welcome back to JD Mods. Today we're going to be doing a little DIY video on how to clean up and refinish cloth seats or really any upholstery in your car. This I will be doing for my RX-7 seats for my 1993 Mazda RX-7. As you can see, they're really dingy. I'll show you guys more up close and then we'll get to fixing them up. So let's start by doing the before shots of these seats. These are from my JDM Mazda RX-7, which was sitting outside for 7 years, probably never cleaned, and shared the car with some mice. So as you can see, they're quite dirty. There's a little bit of mold, some dirt, some overspray, tons of fun stuff on these seats, and they're actually supposed to be black. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but some of the bottom areas of the seats, like the cushions, are black, but as you get up to the bolsters and the headrests, the areas that are uncovered to the sun are kind of this bluey tinge. Let me show you guys one more time. You can kind of see, hopefully, that they are blue in the light. They're looking real trashy. That's kind of the color you want, and you can see it kind of, wherever the sun would hit it, turn kind of blue. There's the color you want, and there's the color it is. So we're going to be trying to fix that today. So here's the product we're going to be trying in today's video to fix up these seats. It's called Duplicolor Vinyl and Fabric, and it says right on it, blah blah blah, dashboards, door panels, seats, and carpet. So we're going to be trying it on these seats here. It was $15 Canadian for this can, and I'm going to try and do both seats with it, which, if it works, is a great deal. So let's get started, and I'm going to be vacuuming and using this upholstery cleaner to clean up the seats and prepare for painting. The seats are all cleaned up. You saw me do that with the vacuum and the carpet upholsterer cleaner. I'll admit they look a lot better already, but you can still tell, hopefully from where you are, kind of the difference in shading. And one of the best ways to see it is behind the straps for the seatbelt. You can see the original black color. So these are supposed to be black, if not dark blue. So I'm going to let them fully dry, and then we'll spray them with the Duplicolor product. So now that the seats are fully dry, I went ahead and taped off where the leather kind of meets the cloth around there. Now I don't think it'll really matter if I get a little bit of overspray on them, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. So let's go ahead and do the first light coat. We're going to do a couple light coats 10 minutes apart, as directed by the can. Alright, let's paint these seats. Alright everyone, so here's the final product. This is 3 coats later, 10 minutes between coats. One can just barely did these 2 seats. They were pretty faded. You remember the bolsters were pretty much blue, light baby blue, which is not good. So if you are doing 2 seats and they are really faded, I'd recommend 2 cans, but it does work with just 1 can. Let me go ahead and show you guys the final product. The lighting in here might make it look a little faded, but it's really good, especially compared to before. I'm very happy with how they turned out. They look amazing, especially compared to before. And the cool thing about the product is if you spray it on something like the plastic or anything really, it doesn't just dry how it looks, because it looked really splotchy and wet. it's very much a dye, so it kind of gets absorbed or evaporates. So that's how the seats turned out. And now if you want to see these seats all new and beautiful and dyed, installed in my RX-7 under the tarp, subscribe down below and you'll see that in one of the upcoming RX-7 videos. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review / DIY video. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.